Hi, today let's make my first project with Cricut Foil Transfer Kit that I got from HSN. I prepared the design. Let's open the package and make it together. Okay, it comes with 3 tips for foiling: fine, medium and bold. With the design I made on Cricut Design Space, I've chosen medium and bold tip to make my project with. In the package you get this foil. I'm not sure how many is in it, with a few tapes. Also with this bundle they sent me, or us actually, a few more foils, so I'm going to use these because I want to use these rose gold ones. So let's make it together. Okay, it says to me to put the medium tip in it, and let me show you. Oh, sorry. In each tip you get a, I don't know, it's silver ring that I believe it shows you, is it fine tip or medium tip or bold tip. So I'm going to put the medium tip on my Cricut and let's see what it's doing. Sorry, I forgot to move these white rings all the way to the right. So let's load the mat and see what happens. Alright, now it tells me to change the tip to the bold tip, so we're going to do that. And then press the C button. Oops. Okay, it seems I should bring my design a little bit lower. Let's see what's doing. I did choose a very intricate design from Anna Griffin, so to test it out. We'll see how it comes out. Alright, it's done with the foiling. So now it says, without unloading the mat, remove the foil and put the cutting blade back. So I'm trying to do that. Okay, it seems the tapes can be removed easily. Oh, it's beautiful. Alright, now we're going to change and press the C button. First of all, I should put my design a little bit lower on the mat. That way I could get the foiling all the way to the top and to the left side. But it seems even though I didn't unload the mat, it couldn't align it perfectly, as you can see. And the foiling is not perfect. There are some spots missing, but I don't know, you can see some, I don't know you can see it or not, some glittery stuff on my fingers, so I'm not sure it's permanent or what, but yeah, but this was my first time, so I will play a little bit more with it and see if I want to keep this tool or not. And yeah, that's the outcome. Hope you enjoyed it. Really appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.